hot out here.
Pretty hot.
Who are you with?
No one. Just by myself.
Oh yeah, what are you doing?
Recording?
Or
I can't explain.
huh?
I can't explain it. You work here?
Yeah.
Nice.
So what are you recording?
I
This
can't-
building or this building or?
I can't really get into details, but pretty much everything.
And you are with the city or?
I can't get into it.
Hey, don't photograph me. Turn that thing off.
You can just go back inside.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to call the police.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm going to do. Because I don't know who you are.
I ain't going anywhere.
No, this one they told me. We'll take a picture of this.
Let's go back inside, man.
This is our private property. Police is on the way. They'll be here in 5 minutes. You're on private property, so.
I'm not on private property.
Well, let them explain to you who this street belongs.
Sure. This street belongs to everybody. It's a public street. West Lewis. I know West Lewis Street.
Let them find out. You'll
Sure.
find out in a second.
Yeah. It's not a private street. Maybe you should find out before you start making problems for nothing.
Been here longer than you were fucking born. Longer than you were born.
Sure. What's your name, Darren?
I don't go by any name.
I don't go by any name. Just go back inside, man. There's no problem here.
This is our streets.
This is your street? Is that what you said? This is a public street, man. This is West Lewis Street. You know that, right? This is West Lewis Street. You're aware? Go ahead, man. Your camera doesn't scare me.
It doesn't scare me either.
Obviously it does if you're calling the cops.
Because we got thieves down here. It's scamming.
Why would a thief come out here in broad daylight and do this?
We are on a neighborhood watch program, so we've been asked to, every time we see a suspicious.
So you feel entitled to act like a Darren?
So
Anytime you see someone walking down the street?
we get a lot of.
Walking down the public street? It's West Lewis Street. Look at this guy. This guy accused me of being a thief. Let's go back inside. Make sure you got the flash on. Oh, good. Okay. Edward, appreciate you. Make sure the flash is on, dude. You want me to turn around for you too, or what? Guy's freaking out for nothing.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What are you taking pictures for?
Just everything.
For everything?
Uh-huh.
What does that mean?
I can't really get into details.
Is the property being put for sale?
Can't get into it. Have a good day. Where you going, man? So the guy said he was gonna call the cops.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to call the police. Police is on the way. They'll be here in 5 minutes.
The guy that works over here. What are you gonna call the cops for?